Hi friends, welcome to Sunil Engineering Academy. I am Sunil. In chemistry, we have already completed 11 classes. This is the class 12. And all the students are asking for chemistry PDF. So I have updated in PDF in Insta module link. I put that link in my description box. You can click on that Insta module link and download the PDF. Okay. And coming to this class 12, I want to continue about carbon. Okay, in this carbon we have already discussed allotropes of carbon, that is diamond, graphite and C60. In this class I am going to discuss the components of this carbon, that is the first very important compound is coal. We have already discussed this coal in coal and combustion class, but I want to recall this coal. We know that depending upon the percentage of carbon, coal is divided into 4 types. First one here, depending upon percentage of carbon. Percentage of carbon, coal is divided into 4 types. The first one is peat. Second one is lignite. Third one is bituminous. And fourth one is very important, anthracite coal. Okay, first of all, taking peat. Here the percentage of carbon is nearly 50 to 60%. Nearly 50 to 60% or less than 50% also it is called as peat. So it is a low quality coal. Okay, very important question. The low quality of coal is nothing but peat. Okay, here it is the first stage of transformation. And it contains moisture, friends. It contains moisture. So that's why due to this moisture it will give smoke and also it will provide ash, lot of ash. Okay, so it contains the moisture, so that's why it provides smoke and also provides lot of ash and gives less heat, friends. Gives less heat. Okay, this is about peat. And the second one, lignite. Second one is lignite. It is the intermediate stage of coal. And in this, the carbon percentage is increases than the peat. That is, it is greater than the peat. That is nearly 60 to 70% of carbon. In this lignite, the percentage of carbon is 60 to 70%. And here the very important point in this lignite, it undergoes spontaneous combustion. That means it will create fire accidents. It will create fire accident in mine. Fire accidents in mines. When the coolies are digging the this coal mines, it will may create the fire accident in mines. So that's why this lignite is very dangerous. Okay, and the next one, third one, bituminous coal. In this coal, the percentage of carbon is 70 to 80%. Okay, 70 to 80%, and that means it will have less moisture, so it will provide less smoke, and it will use better heat. Better heat. That means the calorific value is very high. The calorific value is very high. Okay. And the next fourth important one is anthracite coal. Anthracite coal. It is a very important one. It is the best quality of coal or top quality of coal. It is very important bit. The best quality of coal is anthracite coal. It has nearly 90 to 98% of carbon. 90 to 98% of carbon. In case of India, it is found only in Jammu. Only in Jammu. And also that is very small quantity only available in India. Very small quantity only available. And it ignites slowly. It ignites slowly and burns with blue color flame. Burns with blue color flame like LPG. Okay, and it is very less moisture. Very less moisture, so it will provide very less or no smoke. Okay, and the calorific value is very high. Calorific value is very high. That means it will provide better heat. Okay, now I want to finalize all these scores. The first top quality is anthracite, and the second one bituminous, and the third one lignite, and the fourth one peat. This is the order of the quality. Order of the quality and order of the percentage of carbon. We know that the first alphabetic letter is A, after that B, and after B C D E F G H I J K L, after L M N O P. So it is in the order of alphabetical series. Alphabetical series. Just you can remember in this way also. The first top quality is anthracite, second one is bituminous, the next one is lignite, and final one is peat. Okay, these are the different types of coals. The next important topic, oxides of carbon. Oxides of carbon. We know that we have two oxides. The first one is carbon monoxide and the second one is carbon dioxide. First of all, about this carbon monoxide. This carbon monoxide is releases whenever the carbon is combustion with incomplete. That means it is due to partial or incomplete. Partial or incomplete combustion of carbon. Combustion of carbon. This carbon monoxide will release. Will release. That means it is the due to direct oxidation of carbon with limited oxygen. With limited oxygen. That means incomplete combustion. If you take this carbon plus oxygen is this raised to CO. That means we get 2 here 2. Then the equation is balanced. That is here incomplete combustion. Due to this incomplete combustion of carbon, we may get carbon monoxide. And the examples of this carbon monoxide is smoke of motor vehicles. Smoke of motor vehicles. Okay, and here the very important properties of this carbon monoxide. It is present in water gas. It is present in water gas. That is water gas, we know that CO plus H2. In case of producer gas also, producer gas, that is CO plus N2. Okay, water means H, producer gas means N, that is nitrogen, N2. Okay, and it burns with blue flame. It burns with blue flame and will provides the poisonous gas, that is carbonyl chloride. Carbonyl chloride. Carbonyl chloride, very very important. It will gives the carbonyl chloride with chlorine. So it is the poisonous gas. Okay. And one more thing is, this carbon monoxide is itself, it is a poisonous. Itself it is the poisonous, and it will disturb our respiratory system. Our respiratory system, and small amount of this carbon monoxide may cause to headache. May cause to headache. This is about this carbon monoxide. And the next one, carbon dioxide. Next oxide of carbon, that is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. Okay. In this carbon dioxide, it is obtained by complete combustion of carbon. Complete combustion of carbon. We know that the incomplete combustion of carbon will release carbon monoxide. The complete combustion of carbon will release carbon dioxide, that is C plus O2. It is complete combustion. Complete combustion. In this case, it will release carbon dioxide. Okay. And also this carbon dioxide will produces, this carbon dioxide also produces in the process of respiration. The process of respiration in plants and humans. Plants and humans. We know that we may release carbon dioxide. That means we have to take the oxygen in the air and we will release the carbon dioxide. Okay. So it is also produced in respiration in plants and humans. And in case of atmosphere, it is present nearly 0.03 to 0.04% by value. Very very important one. In the options, you will give only 0.04. You have to click this 0.04. Okay. And it is the colorless. It is the colorless and odorless acidic gas. Acidic gas. And it is also known as greenhouse gas. Greenhouse gas. Why? Because we know that as CO2 percentage is increases in the atmosphere, then our earth will become warm. Our earth will become warm. That means the temperature of earth will be increases. This effect is nothing but greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effect. This is the responsible for global warming. Global warming. So this CO2 gas is called as greenhouse gas. And the next one, the important uses of this carbon dioxide. We know that this solid CO2 used as refrigerant. And we know that this gas CO2 used in soft drinks. That is carbonated soft drinks. That is, in drinking soda, we have this gas CO2. Very, very, very important. In drinking soda, we have this gas CO2. Okay. And the next important one, it is used as used in fire extinguisher. Fire extinguisher. We may see this fire extinguisher like this red color with some tap. Okay, this CO2 is actually, this CO2 is heavier than air. CO2 is heavier than air, and also it is non-inflammable. Okay, and also it is opposes to the flame. So that's why it will be used as the fire extinguisher. Okay, it will always opposes the fire. And in case of oxygen, it supports the fire. In case of this CO2, it opposes the fire. Okay, so that's why this CO2 gas is extensively used in fire extinguishers, and also it is the heavier than air, and also it is non-inflammable. Okay, and the next important use of this CO2 is it is used in manufacturing of urea. Manufacturing of urea, it is also very important bit. Okay, and finally the main important points are, in incomplete combustion it will carbon will release carbon monoxide. In complete combustion carbon will use carbon dioxide. Okay, and here the volume of this carbon dioxide in atmosphere is 0.04%, and it is also called as greenhouse gas, and it is used in soft drinks, that is in sodas are any soft drinks. It is gas CO2, and also used in fire extinguisher, and also used in manufacturing of urea. Okay, in the next class I will discuss about the very important topics of this carbon, that is carbon with hydrogen compounds. Carbon with hydrogen compounds, we may call this also called as organic compounds, or organic chemistry. Organic chemistry. Okay, that is very important class. Okay, thank you friends.